Rick Buiter from Orcem, welcome to Sweden.
Thank you very much.
Why are you here?
We are here to enter the market, the Swedish market, with a low carbon cement actually. So providing 800 to 900 tons CO2 less than the normal cements. And we think in the construction industry, so we have a lot of experience in the Netherlands on these types of concrete. And we think it's possible to reduce CO2 a lot into Sweden as well as we do in the Benelux and all other places like the UK and Ireland as well.
Your product's name is Orcem. What is the secret about it?
So it's secret that when you relate it to normal cements, so it has, as I just mentioned, 800 grams of CO2 less in each ton there is, each 1,000 kilos. And so we say it's economical, it's eco-friendly product, but also it doesn't come with extra costs, so it's on the same cost as normal cement. So you can improve the environmental aspects without extra cost actually.
And it's slag, isn't it?
Yeah, so it's a byproduct from the steel companies. So we are, I think within a couple of years we will market leader in Europe on this. So we just announced an extra investment in Dunkirk in France, an investment of around 48 million euros. And we would like to market their products with a 700,000-800,000 tons in the non-French market, in the North French market actually.
We are now in the Irish embassy, and you just opened a terminal in Gävle.
Yeah, that's correct. Yeah. So we also want to bring this product into Sweden, as we know, like big names like Volvo, they really like into environmental areas. And I think also when you look at the Swedish people, they are really looking into their environment, and I think they're open for changing, let's say, the industry.
You have already a Swedish customer, Boliden.
Yeah, that's correct. So Boliden, so that's a key launching customer in Sweden. Boliden is a company who are very environmental aware, want to take a leadership role in the mining industry, and that's why they make a choice, let's say, for our product GGBS.
But you will have more customers in Sweden. What is your capacity?
So our capacity is on an annual basis at this moment around 150,000 tons. And that's what we'd like to sell into the market. So it has already quite a success. So large infrastructural projects like with traffic forget. So they're really looking into alternatives in binders as they have at the moment.
And the terminal in Gävle, what's the capacity there?
So the capacity of there is around 7,000 cubic meters. So that's around 8,000 tons going in there.
Sounds like you need more terminals in Sweden then.
Yeah, so this is the start, let's say. That's a foothold in the marketplace, and we have the ambition to grow here as growing the company in the future.
Your market here in Sweden, will it be in infrastructure, or what do you think?
Yeah, so the coming years, a large infrastructure project coming up in Sweden, and I know that the government has the ambition to lower down CO2 a lot. And this is a way actually to use the product Orcem, let's say, into the projects to lower CO2 with 50 or 60% in relation to the normal concrete works.
If we want to see something built of your products, where should we go then?
So there's a lot of projects being built in the Benelux, of course. So for instance, we built the biggest lock in Europe, in Antwerp. We built the highest tower in Monaco, in the south of France. We built the convention center in Dublin with our products. So there's a lot of experience and a lot of examples of good projects using, let's say, other products to lower CO2.
And your product, it's a bit lighter than original concrete, isn't it?
Yeah, so it's a bit lighter of a color, but it has a good finishing. And so architects like a lot. When you look into tunnels, when you use it in segments. So the Crossrail project, let's say, in London is being built with our products. So it's being produced in Ireland and is being used in London actually. So it's lightened up the tunnel a lot actually. So because it's a brighter product.
Stefan Karvinen, affärschef på Meag. Du är lite nyfiken på den här produkten.
Ja, det ger oss en möjlighet till ett nya synsätt med betongen. Så att det ska bli intressant att se om de lyckas komma in och att produkterna passar oss om vi vill ha dem.
Vad tror du kan vara nackdelarna med den här produkten?
faran för oss är väl den korttidshållfastheten som vi är beroende av. En hög och snabb korttidshållfasthet. Så att det är väl det vi ska se till när man nu blandar in produkter som är mindre reaktiva än cement helt enkelt. Så det är väl det som vi ska bevaka. Och sen är det väl att pris och kvaliteten håller en jämn kvalitet så att säga. Det är viktigt.
Den stora vinsten, vad är det då?
Ja, man ser övergripande så är det ju energi- och miljöfrågorna helt enkelt. I framtiden så kommer det efterfrågas miljövänliga produkter och det ställs krav på oss från våra beställare. Det är väl främst miljöskäl men också kanske ekonomiska skäl. Om vi klarar de tekniska aspekterna så är det framförallt ekonomi och miljö då.